An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Exodus chapter 30 and verse 1 up to verse 10. The Lord said to Moses, "Build an altar of acacia wood where you can burn incense. Then make it 45 centimeters square and 90 centimeters high, and make each of its four corners sticks up like the horn of a bull. Cover it with pure gold and put a gold edging around it. Then below the edging on opposite sides, attach two gold rings, through which you can put the poles for carrying the altar. These poles are also to be made of acacia wood covered with gold. Put the altar in front of the inside curtain of the sacred tent. The chest with the place of mercy is kept behind that curtain, and I will talk with you there. From now on, when Aaron tent when Aaron tends the lamp each morning and evening, he must burn sweet smelling incense to me on the altar. Burn only the proper incense on the altar and never use it to gain sacrifices or animal sacrifices or drink offering. Once a year, Aaron must purify the altar by smearing on its four corner the blood of an animal sacrificed for sin. And this practice must always be followed. The altar is sacred because it is dedicated to me. So, so this passage is about the daily sacrificial offering or the annual sacrificial offering that is practiced during the Old Testament. And yes, they need the blood of animals just for them to be purified from their sin. And yes, in the Old Testament, they need the blood of the Lamb for them to be purified. Now, in the New Testament, we are fully aware of who is the Lamb of God. And that is Jesus Christ. The sacrificial lamb whose blood was able to purify my sin, your sin, and to purify everyone. Right? Now, see, we realize how powerful it is to be covered by the blood of Christ. In the Old Testament, they usually do it on an annual basis or yearly basis. But now, Christ did it once and for all.